It's week 5 of the One Room Challenge. Oh my goodness, next week is the reveal. I am so excited because progress has been made. Adleigh's bed came. I am like beyond excited. So because we ordered everything online, I wasn't sure about timing of all of the products. And this bed came and I cannot be more excited. If you are new here, the One Room Challenge is a 6-week design challenge where you tackle one space over the course of 6 weeks. It gets pretty intense, and next week is the reveal. I am so excited. We have decluttered her room by getting rid of all the unnecessary things. I made sure that we organized her closet and decluttered all of her clothes too. Then we painted her walls black satin by Benjamin Moore to be exact. We also painted like a wall and a half, Rock Harbor Violet by Benjamin Moore. We hung up her curtains from Wayfair that are just to die for. And then I did also hang up some prints. And this week is all about her bed.
Hey there, I'm Jessica, the Organized Mama, and I help families just like you with practical organizing, decorating, and DIY tips.
Adleigh's old bed, we just used the backboard of her crib and attached the pieces to it to create a headboard. It's been 5 years since we've done that, so she needed something that was a little more long term. We went with the bed from Crate and Kids. I love how it looks. It is just perfect in this space. Because the bed is up against the black wall, we decided to go with the white headboard. I love how sturdy it is. For her bedding, we went with Beddy's, and I cannot tell you how much I love this product. It is basically like a giant sheet and comforter that just goes over the bed that then you zip up to sleep in. It is so comfy, so cozy, and both of my kids are obsessed. So with the Beddy's, we decided to go with the Minky Dash. Now, Minky is on the inside, it's very soft and cozy, making it perfect for winter because here in Chicago, we need something really cozy. The Beddy's is insane. Like, I am obsessed. It is so soft, so smooth, and the kids can easily zip it up to make their bed. It is perfect. Another thing we got to help Adleigh sleep is called the Hatch Restore, and it is like the best sleep machine ever. The Hatch Restore is a really unique product because inside it can play a ton of different sounds. It can create sleep routines for you, and it is scientifically backed to help you get a good night's sleep. The Restore routine features a timed soft glow reading light, a wind down meditation, and a wide array of relaxing sleep sounds. We can set up the routine on our phone that then all she has to do is touch her Restore hatch and it turns on and the routine just kind of plays. So if we do meditation, if she has 30 minutes to read, all of that we can control on our phones, making it perfect for kiddos who need that extra wind down sleep. Plus, I mean, what adult doesn't, right? Like, I want one. If you love any of these products, I have them all linked down below so that you can transform any room in your house the exact same way that we did.